go! It's your first day! Sure.
Cold anymore. Okay. Teacher said you're gonna kick like this. Oh, watch, ha? Okay, there's only one proper kick. Diba ito? O, makmak, ito yung tamang ito lang, ha? Makmak. Okay. Pag gumanon, mali. Diba? Kids, mali. Okay. Pag ganito, maliin. Okay? Okay. So, stretch and kick. Point your toes and kick. Okay. Point your toes and kick. No. Ito, galawin mo, baby, hanggang dito, ha? Huwag mong ididikit lang yan ng... Okay. Ang liit mong 6 years old. Yung apo ko rin kanina, nakita niyo yun? 7 years old. Ang payat din. Paliit siyang bata.
Parehas mo sila.
Pareho sila. Okay. Ito, malakas sa loob eh. Hindi ko maturuan, mag-aaway kami. Hawakan mo. Let kuya Mac hold your feet so that he will help you with the kick. Okay? Okay. Now, I want you to open your mouth and breathe outside the water. Look at teacher first. Open your eyes. It's going to be like this. Watch teacher. Watch me. Look at teacher. Close your mouth. Okay. No blowing. And then blow your nose. Meron kang sipon? Nagkasipon ka na noon? Ha? Opo. Di ba pag may sipon, stop yun. Stop. Mas mahabang blow gusto ko. Ready, go. Ulit. Ulit. Okay, very good. Ganun ang gagawin, ha? Magbo-blow sa nose. Hihinga sa mouth, magbo-blow sa nose. Parang may sipon lang. Opo? Okay. Bawal, marunong siya Tagalog na?
Opo, Tagalog po.
Bawal mag-open ng mouth inside under the water. Bawal mag-open. Dapat laging naka-close ang mouth. Okay. Bawal din ito, baby, ha? Look at me. Look at teacher. Bawal yun. Pag nasa inside the water ka, bawal gumanon, ha? Look at me. Bawal gumanon inside the water. Bakit? Kasi, papasok ang tubig sa nose. Tapos, painful yun sa head. So, anong gagawin? Blow lang. Blow lang yung nose. Parang nagbo-blow lang ng sipon. Okay? Paano na ulit pag nagbo-blow tayo ng sipon? Ulit? Ulit? Okay. After you blow, listen to teacher, look at me. After you blow inside, you bring out your head out of the water and close your mouth. Okay? Look at teacher, ha? Look at me. Look at me. Okay, look at teacher. I will breathe using my mouth outside the water. And then I will go inside the water and I will blow my nose. Okay? Okay, watch teacher. Take some more, take some more. I'm looking at you. Okay, look at teacher. I will breathe outside. And then I will close my mouth. And then I will blow my nose inside. Oh, watch. Ano nakita mo? Ano nakita mo lumabas? Ano yung nakita mo lumabas? Ha? Ano nakita mo lumabas? Sa ilong ni teacher, ano nakita mo? Ha? Ano nakita mo? Ano nakita mo lumabas? Using your mouth outside the water and then blow using your nose inside the water. and then up you go, okay? Okay, ready. Breathe. Blow. Did you not blow? Did you blow? Ganun na? Blow. Again, very good. Good job. You can put your head down. You're very good. Okay, breathe. Blow. Some more, huh? Like blowing your sipon. You think you have sipon inside, huh? Okay, ready? Again. Up, up, up. Open your mouth. Breathe. Blow. Okay, good job. One more time. Very good. Again, again. Breathe. Blow. Oh, I did not see the blow. I did not see the bubbles. Open your eyes. Open your eyes so that you can see the bubbles. Baby, open your eyes so that you can see the bubbles, okay? Open your eyes. Okay, you have bubbles. Okay, breathe. Blow. Okay, good job. Again, again. Take it very, very deep. Breathe. Blow. Good job. One more time. I need blow, blow harder. Breathe. Blow. Good job. Nagkarga kayong tubig, ano? Nagkarga kayong tubig? Ha? Hindi ka nagkarga ng tubig? Okay, good. Oh, do not breathe muna. So that the water will not get into your nose. Breathe. Blow. Good job. I saw the bubbles. Did you see the bubbles? Meron na. O, ulit. Breathe. Blow. Oh, narinig ko na. Ang galing-galing naman. Hello. Blow. Very good naman si Margo. Again, breathe. Blow. Good job. Okay, stay here with mommy. I'm gonna check the 3 girls there. Okay, open your legs. Okay. Open your legs, honey. Open your legs. Okay. Now, I want you to breathe and bubbles, okay? Show to mommy. Okay, breathe. Bubbles. Let it flow first. Very good. Breathe. Bubbles. Very good. Let it flow first. Breathe. Bubbles. Good job. Breathe. Bubbles. Very good. Breathe. Bubbles. Good job. Breathe. Bubbles. Oh, ang galing mo, ha? Oh, do it slowly, ha? Yan muna gagawin mo, okay? Okay, do it slowly. Kuya, bantayan mo. Breathe, bubbles. Bantayan mo. Do it slowly, sweetie. Slowly lang. Yan. Look down. Float. Look down, look down. Look down. Do not make hinga inside the water. Breathe. Oh, look down na. Look at the floor. Look at the floor. It's okay. Look at the floor. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then stand up. Okay. Again. Let's do it again. Ready? Okay. Breathe muna sa labas. Breathe. Oh, look down na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stand up. Put up your hands. Very good. Tulak mo, ha? Tulak mo ganun. Saan kayo mag-ano? Move lang. Look down lang. Put your hands there. Very good. Open your legs. Open your legs. Very good. Look down lang. Okay. Baba mo paa mo, baby, ah? Opo. Tapos, tulak mo ganun. Tulak mo siyang ganun para makatayo ka, ah? Oh, look at teacher. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Look down, look down, look down, look down. Just look down, teacher's here. Okay, stand up now. Push. Push them out. Good job. Again. Wait lang, Tim, ha? I'll teach you the next later. Breathe. Look down, look down, look down. Look at my hand. Look at my hands. Look at my hands, sweetie. Okay, stand up now. Push. Very good. Okay, now do it on your own. Stand on your own now. Stand on your own. Ready? Breathe. Look down. Look down. Look at my hands. Look at my hands, sweetie. Look at my hands. Okay, now stand up. Flush your mouth. Good job. One more time. One more time. One more time. Do put like that your hands, okay? Don't put it down, ha? Dito lang, ha? Okay, breathe muna. Breathe. Look down. 1, 2. Don't move your hands. Don't move your hands. Ganyan lang. Okay, tayo, tayo. Close your mouth, close your mouth. Okay, good job. Now, I want you to kick. Do not stop the kick. Mabilis. Bubbles. Ha? Let's do it. Ready. Tapos, extend mo kamay mo. Huwag ibababa, ha? Binababa lang yan, pagtilingan. Tapos, pag binalik mong ulo sa kick and kick, kick and kick. Good job! Very good! See? Very good. Again, again. Again. Okay, breathe. And kick. Go. Kick, 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 kick. Good job! Teacher, look at teacher. Breathe. Kick harder. Go. Kick. 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 Come on. Kick. 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 Good job. Very good. You want to do this? You want to do this? It's okay. You want to do this? Ganito or ganon? Anong gusto mo? Anong ganito? Gusto mo ganyan? It's okay. You can do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up! Stand up. Very good. Good job. Okay, last one. Then you can towel ready. Ready? Breathe. And 1, 2, 3. Kick some more, babies. Kick some more. Very good. Kick, kick, and kick. Okay. You can follow dry.
Where are we going? Are you hungry?
Yes,
Where are we going?
the donuts.
Margo don't have teeth, but it's okay. She's cute.
Okay, open your legs. Okay. Open your legs only. Open your legs. Okay. Now, I want you to breathe and bubbles, okay? Show to mommy. Okay, breathe. Bubbles. Oh, let it flow first. Very good. Breathe. Bubbles. Very good. Let it flow first. Breathe. Bubbles. Good job. Breathe. Bubbles. Very good. Breathe. Bubbles. Good job. Breathe. Bubbles. Oh, ang galing mo ha. Oh, do it slowly ha. Yan mo na gagawin mo, okay? Do not stop the hip. Just put up your head and breathe. Okay? Okay. Give me one head up on you. One head up on you. Ready. Breathe. Kick. 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 Breathe. Do not stop the kick, baby. Do not stop the kick. Again. Again. Then. What do you want? Like this or like that? What do you want? Like this. Oh, but you have to kick. Ready? And go. Kick. 1. Look down. Look down. Look down. Look at my hands. Look at my hands. Kick some more. Okay, now breathe. Kick some more. Kick. 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 Oh, breathe. Sabi ni teacher, baba lang ng gano'n. Okay? Baba. Baba mo lang yung kamay mo and kick. Okay?
Now your turn, baby.
Sabi ni teacher, upo daw muna tayo. Upo daw muna, upo daw muna, upo daw muna. Upo daw tayo, sit down tayo. Sit down muna, sit down, sit down.
Kick and kick and kick and kick and breathe. Kick and kick and kick and kick and breathe. Kick and kick and kick and kick and breathe. Kick and kick and kick and kick and breathe. Kick and kick and kick and kick and breathe. Okay, very good. Go, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. Kick, kick some more, anak. Kick some more, kick some more, kick some more, kick some more, up. Kick some more, kick some more, some more, kick some more, up. Kick some more, kick. Malapit ka na. Malapit ka na. Up. Malapit ka na. Malapit ka na. Malapit ka. Go, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up. Kick. Kick some more, anak. Kick some more. Kick some more. Kick some more. Kick some more. Up. Kick some more. Push it up. Slowly lang. Push that up. Slowly lang. Push that up. Slowly lang. Push that up. Slowly lang. Blow your mouth, anak. Blow your mouth. Push slowly. Push it slowly. Push it slowly. Look at teacher. Look at me. Look at me. Blow your mouth. Blow your nose. Blow your nose. This one. Go. Again. Again. Okay. Oh, blow the mouth now. How many? One. This one. Always up. 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 If it will go down, always up. Kick your feet slowly. Kick your feet slowly. And always up. Kick your feet slowly. Always up. Kick your feet slowly. Always up. Kick your feet slowly. Always up. Always up. Kick your feet. Kick your feet. Always up. Always up. Kick your feet. Kick your feet some more. Some more. Good. Very good. Some more. Good. Blow your mouth. Blow your mouth. Blow your mouth. Not too much. This one, put that up or not. This one. Do not put this down. Always up. Always up.
Hi, Kuya Nathan.
Always up. Feet. Always up. Always up. Always up. Look up. Always up. Blow your mouth. If it will go down, kick your feet. Put this up. Good. Good. Kick some more. Kick some more. Blow your mouth. Blow your mouth. So that you can breathe. Blow your mouth. Blow your mouth. Blow your mouth. Good. Blow your mouth like blowing candle in your cake and kick your feet. Do not use the nose. Do not use the nose. Only this. Blow your mouth. Look up. Look up. Blow your mouth. Blow your mouth. You are going down. What will you do? What will you do? Kick some more so that you will go up. Moon. Kick some more so that you will go up. It's okay. It's okay. Kick some more. Kick some more. Kick some more. Kick some more. Okay. And breathe.
Or water.
Huwag ka maninigas yun na. Yan, ganyan kami. Low. Pag bumaba, itaas mo slowly lang. Low. Low. Up. Kick lang. Up. Very good. Very good.
Coba, baby. Okay, dah. Okay.
guys. When you go up, now there. Margo, here. Go up. Margo.
There daw, there.
There, come on, just walk. Okay, walk there. You go there now sa kanila. This is Sophie. Say, akyat mo nga, sir.
Slowly, Sophie, ha? Slowly. Yes.
Yan na, Margo. Yan na, sir.
Iya, daan ka daw dito.
Sit down, sit down, sit down. Sit down. Okay. Look ka dyan.